Bamboo, one of Earth's strongest and most sustainable resources, the planet's unsung hero. In its strength, we found a story worth wearing. A Bodhi ring is a transformation from an extraordinary grass into something deeply personal, an alternative to metal and stone, a ring for the true nature lover. Every ring is carefully handcrafted, sanded, and finished to reveal hundreds of tiny bamboo fibers, each unique pattern shaped by nature. The result is more than a ring. It's a connection to the planet that you carry with you. Created from a material that gives more than it takes, each ring reflects a thoughtful way to wear what matters, a gentle reminder to be better. A beautiful, natural ring, happy fingers, and a healthier planet. Start your journey and live the Bodhi life today.